Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn about the conditional statements in Python. So we have already learned about the conditional statements in the flowchart using the diamond shape. So from this flowchart we can see that it is asking the user for marks, and then based on the marks it will take a decision. If the marks is greater than 50%, then it will print pass. Otherwise it will print fail, and then it will end the program. So the main question is how to do this in Python, how to implement this conditional statement. So before starting, we need to take user input. I will store this in a variable named marks. So I'm writing this marks. So we will take user input. I'm going to ask user for their marks. So I'm printing a message, enter your marks. So convert the given input into an integer, right? So we will enclose this inside integer. So we have already taken our input, which is our marks. So we have to take a decision from this diamond shape. If the mark is greater than 50%, then we will print pass. So how do we do that? For this, we will write if. So inside this bracket, we will write our conditional statement, which is marks greater than 50. We will write the colon. So if I press enter, now I'm going to print pass. Print our message, which is pass. So what if it doesn't happen? So we need to print else. Otherwise, it will print fail. So as you can see, there are some spaces. So what is that? This is called indentation. So by this, it means that this whole statement, this block of codes are inside this conditional statement. And similar thing applies for this else, which means this failing statement, this printing statement is inside else part. So let me run this code. 51. Yeah, it printed pass. Let me run it again. 33. It printed fail. So that's it. That's the basics of if-else conditional statement. Now I want to print another thing. Like my question is, I will take an integer from the user, and then I have to decide whether that number is greater than 0 or less than 0. Or first we will solve this problem. I have to take an integer number. So input, enter in number. We need to typecast this, so we need to make it an integer. Okay, if number is greater than 0, then it should print the number is greater than 0. Otherwise, it should print the number is less than 0. I'm repeating again why there are some spaces, because this spaces means indentation. Indentation means that this statement, this line of code is under this condition. So let me run this code, enter a number. So I want to enter 13. The number is greater than 0. Let me run it again. -8. The number is less than 0. What if I enter 0? The number is less than 0, but that shouldn't be the case, right? So we need to add another condition, which is if the number is equal to 0, then it should print the number is 0. So how do we do that? We only know two statements, if and else. What should be the third one? So third one should be else elif, right? Elif, which means uh, we will we will write our condition inside this parenthesis, which is num equal 0. Then what should it do? It should print the number is 0. I hope everyone understood this. If the number is greater than 0, then it will print the number is greater than 0. Elif, which means else if uh, the number is equals to 0, then it should print 0. Else, if these two conditions fail, then it should print the number is less than 0. So let me run this code. Enter a number. I'm going to enter 0. The number is 0. Enter number 12. The number is greater than 0. And -1. The number is less than 0. That's all from this video. Thank you so much.